Piazza Navona. Piazza Navona was originally a Roman circus built by Emperor Domitian in the late 1st century. It held about 20,000 people, which made it the smallest of the four in Rome. The largest was the Circus Maximus, which in its heyday, a couple centuries later, would hold around 250,000. Circuses are normally where Romans held chariot races, but it also held other games as well. In fact, this circus in Piazza Navona would sometimes be flooded, where they would hold mock naval battles. The circus is 275 meters long and 106 meters wide. Roman circuses are also where most of your Christians were persecuted. And St. Agnes was martyred here when she was 13 years old, back in the late 1st century. And the church at the side of the piazza now, which holds her relics, is called St. Agnes in Agone. Some say the circus was called originally Circus Agonalis, which means games. Others hold that it comes from nave, which means boat in Italian. Giovanni Battista Pamphili became Pope Innocent X, and his palace is just adjacent to this church of St. Agnes. Pope Innocent X became Pope in 1644, and his the Pamphili Palace here is where he often lived during his papacy, moving back and forth between the Vatican and this palace. Today, the palace holds the Brazilian embassy, and part of it is a museum. Pope Innocent X commissioned Gian Lorenzo Bernini to construct the fountain in the center of the piazza. It is called the Four Rivers Fountain, built in 1648. The first character represents the river's Ganges, which is symbolized by the character holding an oar, because the Ganges is known to be easily navigable. The next river is the Nile River, which is in Africa, and the character is hiding his face because the one side of the Nile the source was unknown. And then you have the Danube, which is in Europe. The character representing the Danube River is touching the papal coat of arms. And the fourth river is the Rio de Plata, which is in South America. And he is sitting on silver coins, as plata means silver in Spanish. So each of these rivers is the largest river known in that particular continent. The obelisk originally was in the Circus Maximus. It sat on one of the ends of the spine, which went along the middle of the circus. Giacomo della Porta is the one who designed this fountain on the north side of the piazza. The figure of Neptune is fighting an octopus. The original statue today is in the Victoria and Albert Museum in London. The southern fountain was done by Gian Lorenzo Bernini. Not only is he credited with designing this fountain, it is one of the few works that he actually did with his own hands. In fact, while working on it, Romans would often come and watch him work. Bernini depicts a Moor battling a dolphin. If you like to roll your tobacco with greenbacks, then you'll probably enjoy getting a table at one of the restaurants that are located in the piazza here. in the evenings, there are often street performers between 8 and 10 p.m. as well. So it's a nice place to come in the evenings and enjoy the atmosphere of historic Rome. Hopefully this video whets your appetite to give you a desire to come and visit in person. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.